3. Right, the first part of the Cool Kids book is all about school subjects. So this is the last little bit on school subjects before we go on to a new thing in the book. So let's have a look what we've got to do. To finish it off, we just need to do workbook 12 and workbook 13. So workbook 12, of course we're doing school subjects, so workbook 12 is all about maths. So here, a little bit of maths for you, and you need to write in there. Spell the number, don't write the number, spell the number. Okay, so here look, you've got 16 minus 9 plus equals 15. So what's the number there? Spell the number. Okay, and then we go on to page 13 and let's have a look. Now, here look, I've written the names of school subjects we've looked at. I'm just going to put them in here. So number 1, we paint in, well, what class do you paint? Of course, that's going to be art class. Number 1, can you find the picture for art class? And that, of course, art class there will be number 1. Number 2, I play the drum in, well, what school subject is that? Put it in there, and then that will be picture number 2. Okay, and then question 2, a little bit more difficult. Let's just have a look over here. So, we've looked at 2 verbs, the verb like and the verb have. We talked about the subject. The subject is who or what we're going to talk about, the first thing in a sentence, and we can write the subjects like this: I, you, we, or they. But when we have our verb like and have, if our subject is he, one man, one boy, she, one lady, one girl, or it, one thing, if this is our subject, we have to be very careful. So let's look at question 2 here and see if we can do that. Okay, so number 1 says math, the question, answer, no I don't, I like history. So we know our verb is like, and the answer is I, so the question must be you. The answer is I, the question will be you. So it would be, do you like maths? Our subject is you, so we just use the verb like. Do you like maths? No, I don't. I like history. Number 2, do on Tuesdays. Answer, no, I have art on Mondays. So there's my verb have. The answer is I, so the question must be you. So it's going to be, do you have? Let's put that one in. Do you have? Okay, the subject is you, so the verb is have. Let's have a look at number 3. Does Tim have maths on Fridays? Now look here. Tim is a boy, one boy, he. So if it's he, then, or she, we use does for our question. So does he have maths on Friday? And if the question is does, the answer will be does. Does he have math on Friday? Yes, he does. Because the subject is he, we use does. And the last one, question for you. And the answer is no. So, if your subject is I or you, then we would say do not. If your subject is he or she or it, you would have to say does not. No, he or she does not. Okay? And then number 3, a little bit about you at the bottom. What's your favourite day? And then which day don't you like? Because you have that. Okay, so that's workbook. Page 12, a little bit of maths. Page 13. Not sure about this? Send me a message.